more exciting. Black Sabres Hockey Hotline here on WGR Sports Radio 550. As a listener, you're like, oh, great. Keep talking about the stuff you don't talk about on the air. Off the air. Andrew Peters here till noon. Coming up at 11, we're going to get into the roster because got to be down to 23 men tomorrow by 5 p.m. to get ready for the regular season. Decisions to be made here with the Buffalo Sabres, and we will do that with you at 803-0550. Right now, we're going to talk about a charity event called the Backyard Classic, and Nick Penberthy is here. He is a sophomore at SUNY Cortland, and Nick is going to tell us about the event and how you can be a part of it to help benefit Haschig's Heroes. Nick, good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, Kevin. Glad to be on the show.
Well, let's talk about the Backyard Classic, because you started this thing many years ago when you're just a young pup. I mean, now you're in college and it's grown, but when did you start this and why did you start this?
Yeah, I started when I was a sophomore in high school. And pretty much what I was looking to do, I just put me and a bunch of my boys from high school. We started out with just 24 kids, and we really turned it into an event. Since then, we've raised more than $20,000 playing 3-on-3 hockey. Our kind of key features, we play with goalies as well, so it's not just the shinny nets. So that's one of our key selling points. And just 2 years ago, we actually got Tim Hortons to buy the naming rights for the tournament. So that's helped us out a lot as well as the Buffalo Sabres and a bunch of other.
Good old Canadian company, you know, sporting a hockey event. That's hard to believe.
Let me tell you, if you think of hockey, you think Tim Hortons.
Oh, you sure do.
Well, there you go.
I can't tell you how many hot chocolates and chocolate chip muffins I had on the way to games. And
I know you say today.
What's in your hand right now?
It's a large double-double.
There you go.
I've grown from hot chocolates to coffee.
Well, there you go.
But you're still keeping the chocolate chip muffins in play. I'm with you, man. Hey, listen, we ate them the other morning. Amen. There's no problem with chocolate chip muffins.
You know what?
We have something going on here today that's just not good. I don't know. You want to thumb wrestle or something to work this out, or what?
This is something about your face. I just want to plant you right in here. You know?
Yeah.
I just want to plant my fist right.
Okay.
But anyway,
please don't.
Back to what you were saying.
Nick's here to talk about.
I want to know how I want to know how I can sign up for this.
Yeah, you need teams, right?
Yeah, we still need a couple teams. We formed a new adult division this year. We also got a new mite division for our 5 to 7 year olds. So dads out there, you can bring your son out. You guys can both play. You can sign up online, www.timhortonsbackyardclassic.com. All of our registration's online right there. You can also visit us at Facebook. Just look up Backyard Classic, and you can find us on there and register online there as well.
Twitter is at Backyard Classic, right?
That's correct, yeah. And it's $125 for a team of 4 players. You guys are guaranteed 3 games, plus if you make the playoffs, you got the playoffs. You're going to get a lunch and also official tournament T-shirt. And all the proceeds that we raise goes to Haschig's Heroes, which is a great cause. Allows children of low-income families to play hockey at no cost, and you guys know how expensive hockey is. So that's one of the reasons that I got into this tournament.
I don't. My parents do.
Well, there you go.
I'll find out.
Yeah. Parents spend a lot of money.
I'm going to find out here.
Yeah, but hockey's a very expensive sport, and so all this money, actually this year we're going to start a educational resource room in the Cazenovia ice rink for the Haschig's Heroes kids, so that's what the money's going for this year.
Oh, awesome. Great stuff. Nick, you started this this was played in your backyard, hence Backyard Classic, but this is moving now, right?
Yeah, we outgrew our backyards. Myself and Chris Taggart were the 2 people that really run the tournament with support of my parents and all the other people that help out.
And Chris jumped on board. He had a satellite site, if you will, right? It was your backyard, and then Chris had one in his backyard.
Yeah,
right?
he saw the story on Channel 2 News, and so he called me up, and I had no idea who he was, and so he's been essential with this move over to the Rose Garden. But he was the satellite site, and then we outgrew our 2 backyards, and so now we moved over to the Rose Garden restaurant over near the Whirly Golf Dome. And
that was going to be my marker for it. People didn't know where it was. Go to the golf dome. You know, I get directions by golf courses.
Yeah, same. No. I hear you. No, but yeah, right across from the Whirly Golf Dome, and we're looking for a big turnout. We're most likely going to have some Sabres alumni there bartending during the day, so you can stop out for that. We'll have a couple bands playing music throughout the day. We got 4 ice rinks set up out there, so it's going to be hockey all day. And we all know by how fast these Sabres tickets have been going, how much Buffalo's been craving their hockey since it's been gone.
Nick Penberthy's here from the Tim Hortons Backyard Classic, which, if you just joined us, Nick started in his backyard as a sophomore in high school as a tournament with his friends to raise money for Haschig's Heroes. And It has grown and grown, which is great to see, and it's happening out at the Rose Garden on Worley on January 27th. There is room for teams. There are more divisions. The Mike division, you said an adult division. Chance for fathers and sons to play this again. It's 3-on-3 along with goaltenders in this tournament. Again, where can they register for this?
You can register online at timhortonsbackyardclassic.com, and also for our Mike division, we're doing something special. We're doing 4-on-4 hockey with goalies, just because we play on a 34 by 90 sheet of ice, and so a little bit more room for them to maneuver around a little bit for the smaller guys.
All right, here's the question. All right, because I know last year was an issue, and it was an issue for Labatt with the pond hockey tournament. Are we going to have ice? And if we don't, is there other plans?
We are looking really good right now, let me tell you. We something different between us and Labatt. We create our own ice rinks, so we build them up with the boards and the plastic, fill them with 3-4 inches of water. So we only need to freeze 3 inches of water. So
okay.
Based on the weather forecast that we have next week with the single digits and highs in the 20s,
it's supposed to be single digits next week.
Yeah, they're saying low of 5. I saw on the news last night. So on Monday, so bundle up.
Guess I should start watching the news.
What? Do you have any? So what do you have a Zambonski or what?
Yeah, we run 500 feet of hosing out, and we have Zamboni, like drag behind Zamboni thing, and we just.
I said it the Polish way, Zambonski.
We do have a Zambonski, a mini Zambonski.
Well, this is cool. I wish you great success with this, and what a great cause for Hatchick's Heroes. And it's again the funds from this year's tournament are going to go to help for a educational resource room at Kasrick.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, and the kids will be able to use it there. So Hatchick's Heroes, it's not just all about the hockey, but hockey's a large part of it, and then they're also supporting their education as well.
All right, well, I hope we help you with the registration and obviously the awareness for the event. Congratulations for this growing as large as it is growing right now.
Just put my name at the top of the scoring leader list and we'll fill the number into points later.
We'll have to see you out there first.
Oh, my God. I'll own you, kid.
Put him in goal, that's for sure.
Hey, we need a goalie. You can play for us.
All right, Nick Penberthy here.
Toe drag it and toe drag it.
Hey, again, you can follow him at Twitter at Backyard Classic. Again, one more time, if someone out there is listening, January 27th, they want to register, go to
timhortonsbackyardclassic.com.
All right, and a great way to get out there and celebrate the game of hockey. All right, we're going to take a break. When we come back, we're going to talk about